Boys and girls, it's Mrs. Smith here. I am going to teach today's math lesson. So if you have this book at home, I want you to get it out. But if you do not have this book, that is okay. You can follow along by just getting a piece of paper out. If you have this book, I want you to turn to page 21. We're going to use page 21 and page 22. So find the number 21 or 22 and follow along with me. All right, so these lessons are all about putting numbers in order from least to greatest. Now you might say, I don't remember what the word least means. Least is the smallest. So we're going to put the number in order from the smallest number all the way up to the biggest number. All right, let's get started. As you can tell on my screen, you can see a number line. Now this number line starts at 0 and it goes all the way to 20. What I want you to do is on page 21 or on your piece of paper, I want you to either look at the 5 little rectangles or I want you to draw them. So this is what that looks like. Let's see, let me put this back on. Okay, so if you have the book, you'll see these rectangles. And if you do not have the book, you can just draw them. Just draw 5 little rectangles, or you could even just make little lines if you want. All right, now that we have that, what we're gonna do is we are going to be using these cards, and I'm going to deal out 5 cards. So let's go and try that. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now I'm going to move these cards all down here to the bottom. And then we are going to try to put these in order using the number line. Now remember, we're looking for the smallest number first. And the smallest number you're going to put in that very first box. So which one do you think is the smallest number? Think about the number line up here. Did you say 1? Yeah, 1 is the smallest number. It is the first number I see on my number line. We don't have a card that says 0, but we do have a number 1. All right, now let's keep thinking. Do we have a 2? Do we have a 3? A 4? 5, 6? Oh, we do have a 9. It's different than the 6. If you look at my 6 and you look at the 9, the circle's at the top. Remember, a circle and a line makes a 9. All right, so 9 is next. All right, which one do you think is next with all of these? Here, let me kind of move these around. What do you think? Which one? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have a 16. 16 must be next. So write the number 1, 6 on your line or in the third box. Now 17, 18. Oh, 18's next. 19, 20. All right, we put these in order from 1 all the way to 20. And you should have written these numbers on your piece of paper. All right, let me show you my paper so you can check. Here's mine. I put them in order, 1, 9, 16, 18, and 20. All right, who's ready for the next one? Let's clear this off and let's do it again. Let me go ahead and get rid of each card, and then we're gonna deal 5. This time I'm gonna give you a moment to do it by yourself, and then I am gonna do it after. All right, so help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to kind of move these down here. All right, so we're putting these in order from the smallest number all the way to the biggest number. I'll give you a second to do that. Use the number line up here. All right, now my turn. 6 is the first one. So I'm going to move this 6 up. Then I see a 7. And then 10, 15, 19. Is this what you did?